Welcome in computer class, students. In previous class we have finished our first lesson. Moving forward to our second lesson, working with Windows. Windows. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system. There are so many versions of Windows operating systems are there. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. Now Windows 10 has came. So Windows is an operating system. But what is an operating system? Okay. We will take one simple example. You are purchasing a new bike or new car. What thing you need to ride the bike or car? Exactly, petrol. How this vehicle needs the fuel to run it? Exactly, our computer needs the operating system to operate or run the computer. An operating system is a series of programs that is used to operate a computer. The process of the IPO cycle, with the help of the program, computer takes raw data and processing on it, and it gives output. In this process, computer needs hardware as well as software. You know that the all parts of the computer comes in the hardware, and software, these are the programs or the set of instructions, and your operating system is the example of the system software. The CPU controls the entire working of the computer, but how does the computer know what is to be done and how it is to be done? Well, there are special programs that helps to CPU to perform its function. A series of such programs that are used to operate a computer is called an operating system. An operating system allows the computer to do all these tasks that you want to do it. It controls the process that stores and receives the data from memory of the computer. In short, an operating system organizes and controls a whole computer. User interface. User who are using the computer, they are users. An interface. What is meant by interface? Interface means communication between the two entities. Here we are communicating with the computer, user and computer. The hardware and software systems that allows the computer user to communicate with the computer is called user interface. There are two types of the user interfaces: command line interface, graphical user interface. First one, command line interface, in short CLI. In command line interface, the user has to type in the text-based commands to give instruction to a computer. These are the some predefined set of the commands that specify the operations that are to be performed in the order to get the desired output. Command line interface is not user friendly, as the user has to remember not only all the commands but also the syntax of those commands. If there is a typing mistake, DOS does not recognize the command and hence it will not carry out the task that it is told to perform. Example of the command line interface is MS-DOS. Next user interface is GUI, that is graphical user interface. What is meant by graphical? Graphics means picture. Graphical user interface allows the users to interact with the program visually. Today, the most of the computers have a graphical user interface. It is a system that is used to on-screen pictures and graphics which can be clicked with a mouse to give instruction to a computer. This means that is a graphical user interface. You do not have to remember any commands to use the computer. You can just click on the tools and the commands and its relevant buttons and icons on the screen to perform a task. Windows operating system is the most popular graphical user interface. Hope so, students, now you have cleared with an operating system and user interface.